In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how you're going to be turning your data saver on or off. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your settings, go ahead and click on search. You're going to search up data, and now it's going to give you this low data mode. So just go ahead and click on that. And what that does is it is going to be taking you to this section. Okay. So even if it doesn't take you there, what you can do is you can go through that through your cellular data right over here. So once you go over to it, go ahead and turn your low data mode on or off. And you can even change that by going over to your utility tabs over here. And what it does is, whenever you have data over here, you can hold your cellular data and it's going to give you the option if you want to turn low data on or off. And that's basically your data saver. So just turn it on and off from there and you should be good to go. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.